Hello, my name is Madeline Whitewolf. I'm a third-year mechanical engineering major.
I'm Isabella Linder, and I am a senior civil engineering major.
My name is Maria Lyons. I am a senior computer science major.
My name is Ryan Eckert. I'm a junior mechanical engineering major here at Ohio Northern University.
I chose mechanical engineering because it seems like a really broad engineering degree that I can apply to a lot of different aspects. So originally when I came to ONU, I wanted to do more aerospace stuff, but now that I'm here and doing stuff, I kind of wanted to move into the more sustainability side of engineering. I come from a family of makers, so ever since I was little, I was taking things apart, trying to figure things out, and my parents and myself included always found issues with our day-to-day lives, and we would create a solution for that issue. So from a very young age, I've had this sort of like engineering entrepreneurial mindset, but I didn't really know like what it was called, what the technical term for that was, until I got to ONU.
I kind of decided more towards civil engineering because of the math behind it, and there's always like an answer. You can also use like skill development throughout the process. You never stop learning as a civil engineer, especially depending on what project you might be on. Your brain's always working in different ways. This career has given me a lot so far, and I know it'll continue to give to me. It's given me the chance to meet so many people and make a lot of connections professionally, academically, just in general, making a lot of new friendships and stuff here at the college. Meeting people that love to do what I would love to do is very special to me.
Ever since I was little, I was always wanting to build things. I was very creative. I love the arts, but I think doing something with your hands to create something entirely yours is really beautiful. And I love technology. I've always been really into video games, really into computers, and I thought that going somewhere in the computer science engineering realm was perfect for me. And I really want to create things for people, to help people, to support people and protect people. And I've loved it. A lot of people think that engineering is just sitting at a desk working on a computer. Sure, there might be days where you are working on the computer, but you have to work with people. You have to work on the field, see how things work. For one of my internships that ONU helped me secure was a cybersecurity position in San Antonio, Texas, a marathon. And of course, as a computer science, I have to work on the computer. However, I got to learn how Marathon Petroleum does work. It's not just I'm working for some kind of cybersecurity company and learning how to use technical tools. I'm learning how Marathon Petroleum makes petroleum, refines it, delivers it to the rest of the country. So as an engineer, you learn how the world works. You learn how the things that you make, the products that you build, impact other people. And for me, as a cybersecurity analyst, how they protect people.
I chose mechanical engineering because it's the most broad out of most of the engineerings. It was available here at ONU, which was my #1 school. So along with being partnered with an aerospace concentration, which is something that I'm very interested in the engineering field. So having the diverse field along with the concentration in aerospace, it was really easy for me to choose mechanical engineering. So having the Engineers Week, it feels really good just to be recognized.
It doesn't mean exactly creating a business to me, but more utilizing what I've learned in different careers, especially obviously civil engineering, which I'm in. I've been able to use those skills outside of school. I think that's really helped me and is going to help me in the future.
So the entrepreneurial mindset, it's not necessarily just about starting a new company. It's really about identifying the needs of people and societies and communities and addressing those needs directly while taking into account the stakeholders, so everyone that is affected. At ONU, the professors kind of really teach us and ingrain in our minds that we have to take into account all of the different perspectives of the people who are going to be affected by the solutions that we make.
We're in such a time that we are evolving in the realm of technology, especially with artificial intelligence. We're starting to figure out new ways of how we can solve different problems. And that's what engineering is, right? Have to figure out what are the problems that we need to prioritize and solve. Especially in this month, engineers are coming together, especially as a senior working on capstone. Of course, we're building a product, but also we're learning different ways of how creative we can get to solving these problems and helping people. It's great to be here, and I would never change it for the world.